A smart home is one where you can control your lights, appliances, heating systems, doors, windows, garage doors, using your voice, internet, or phone. Your smart home can be controlled with your digital assistant, like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomePod. Whether you live on the road system or in the villages, a smart home will give you the ability to control your home more effectively, more efficiently, and more comfortably. Almost any home can be a smart home. Smart homes can save you money, make you feel more secure, and make your life easier. If you have questions or would like to learn more, give us a call or visit our website at ahfc.us. Thank you for watching. I'm Scott Waterman with the Alaska Housing Finance Corporation.